Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a daily cleaning routine. I'm going to get started this morning working in our bedroom, getting our bed made. I find that when I make my bed first thing in the morning, I'm always so much more productive. Today's video is also in collaboration with Katelyn from LivingThatMamaLife. She's here, of course, on YouTube, and she's also over on Instagram, so don't forget to check her out at both. She posts similar videos to mine that includes meal prepping, cleaning, a lot of organization. She is a stay-at-home mama to two sweet little kiddos, and I just know that you guys are thoroughly going to enjoy her channel. Don't forget to check out her channel and also her video.
I bet you think that I should calm down.
I'm next just going to go ahead and get a load of laundry going. I like to try and do this every morning. I have to do at least one load of laundry a day to ensure that we stay caught up on laundry. I will admit that I get behind on laundry probably more than anything else. I know that we only have 3 people in our family, but my husband has work clothes, he has workout clothes, he has clothes he changes into after work, and then all of our changes we go through too. It just can kind of pile up, and I know that probably other people can relate. So if you can relate with the laundry, disaster or the laundry pile up, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm sure it would totally make my day.
Ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down?
Next, I'm going to move on into our bathroom. I had just finished getting ready in here, and I try to tidy up as I go when I'm getting ready, but since I knew I was recording this video and it is a daily cleaning routine, this is something that I do every day, so I wanted to show you guys.
But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't want to get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready.
Now I'm going to move on over into our son's room. I just needed to pick up a couple things. He doesn't really do anything in here besides like sleep and get dressed, but I just wanted to tidy up where he had pulled out a couple books, and I don't necessarily make his bed, I just have it ready for nap time. He loves his bear, and he also has this little wubba nub. We have cut the passy off of it, but he still finds it as comfort, so it stays in his room. Next, it's time for coffee. I've done a little bit of chores this morning, so time for a reward.
I love you. Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la.
I'm going to move on now to tidying up the kitchen. I've had about half my coffee, so that gives me enough of a boost to start doing some more stuff around the house. I like to, if I can, just have to unload the dishwasher in the morning. That way I can fill it up as the day goes on. But I was out a little bit later last night, and Connor had our son, so I just didn't get to this last night, and he had his hands full with Grayson, so completely understand that. He's an awesome dad, so I'm not going to ask him to clean the house at the same time because he already helps me just so much. So this morning, I'm just going to go ahead and load everything that didn't get loaded last night and start it, and that way we'll have clean dishes to unload later.
How to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
Now I'm just going to move on over in the living room. It really isn't that bad. Normally we have toys everywhere, but this is a Saturday, so it's a little bit different. My husband had Grayson upstairs and was just getting him dressed because we had some errands to run this particular morning. So keeping him out of the living room kind of kept it a little bit cleaner, and I know that other moms can probably relate to this.
We run away, so let us up when we're low. Just chase away.
If anybody has come over from Katelyn's channel, I just want to welcome you so much and thank you for being here. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and I would also just love to talk to you in the comment section down below. I love reading all of your comments, and so many of them just make my day, probably every one of them. Just the fact that you watch my videos means so much to me, and I'm so humbled and blessed to have all of you here. Now it's evening time. We were gone most of the day, and it's been a rainy day, so we haven't had much of a disaster in our home, but the trash is something that we struggle with, and by the end of the day, our trash is normally pretty overflowing, if you know what I mean. So I wanted to go ahead and get that cleaned up first, and then I need to clean up after dinner. So we had like something that's similar to like a Frito pie, so like taco stuff for dinner. So I needed to get all that food put away, get all the dishes washed, and then just tidy up the floor.
So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. See the blue sky.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
was getting close to bedtime here, so I decided to take a break from the kitchen and go down here and try and get my son to help pick up toys. He's actually pretty good about picking up his toys. He just gets a little bit distracted if the TV's on. Normally we turn the TV off and we just try and focus, but since we were recorded and it's Saturday night, we thought it would be okay. So we're just going to pick up all the toys in the living room, tidy up some in here, and then I'm going to get back into cleaning the kitchen.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth.
Guys, thank you again for watching this video. I'm so happy you're here and that you clicked on this video. If you're coming over from Katelyn's channel, don't forget to subscribe to mine. And if you haven't been to Katelyn's channel yet, don't forget to check her out. Remember, she's Living That Mama Life. She's on YouTube, and of course, she's over on Instagram as well. You guys, I don't ever get it all done. Like, this is just a peek of what I really try to get done here on a Saturday, but that's why we have God. We have somebody else to rely on, and it feels so good to not carry that weight on our shoulders. So anyway, I'm just so happy to have you here, and I hope that you have a great rest of your week. See you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
But your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad.